Afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our Canton Fair live broadcasting show. This is Artemis.
And this is Sunny. Our company have a professional manufacturing factory. The main producer is air conditioner main board, washing machine PCB, fan control board, including cooker board, and so on.
As long as you have any inquiries about the PCB, contact us immediately. We have excellent team to provide you with a full range of quality services.
Since the current was established, the control fair has been carried out online, which will also to the future trend. Today, we will show you our products here.
The first one is air conditioner universal board, which can be used for any type of air conditioner. Sunny, do you know how to choose the air conditioner board?
Yes, generally speaking, air conditioner can separate into wall handling AC and cabinet AC, and the wall handling AC is also can split into two types. They are single cooling AC and heating cooling AC.
Correct. So first of all, I will introduce the heating and cooling AC PCB. For example, the SONU05 on my hand. This is a main board with fan starting capacitor.
It looks nice. And so that means what accessories included in this set?
Then let's open it and have a look. Here it is. One main board and one display. This one.
Yeah, display.
And two sensors. And a number of plug terminals. And this one is the transformer. And this one is remote control.
Okay, well, there are lots of spare parts. And could you tell us what are the features of this PCB?
Well, of course, there are several features I'm gonna expound here. Number one, it has indoor PG fan with 5-speed function, including high speed, middle speed, low speed, auto speed, and strong speed. And number two, running mode. This type of main board has 5 running modes, which includes auto mode, cooling mode, dehumidification mode, and ventilation mode, and heating mode. And number three, half an hour time adjustment. When we want to use the timer function, every time we press, the time will increase by half an hour. Number four, draw temperature sensor. It can make us easier to control the cool wind and the heat wind. And number five, anti-cold air function. When the AC is heating, the anti-cold air function can maximize the heating effect. Number six, intelligent defrost function.
Wow, with this function, it's not only safe, energy and electricity, but also improve heating effect, right?
Indeed, this is one of the reasons why I strongly recommend this control board to our customers. And number six, it has 6-speed single wind direction control. And the temperature control is accurate up to 0.6 Celsius degree. Number 8, sleeping function. Induction humanized sleep setting provide us with a comfortable sleeping environment.
To be honest, I love this function most. Comfortable sleeping environment is really important to me.
Yes. And number 9, emergency launch function. When the remote control cannot work, the air conditioner can be turned on by the emergency launch button. Number 10, the last but not least, It has compressor 3-minute delay protection. It will reduce the starting up shocking load when the compressor starts again, so as to prolong its service life.
Oh yeah, I think the function of these controller boards are really complex, and we can see here at least there are still a lot of space parts of it. Could you show it to us?
Sure, okay. Let's look the remote control first. There are many buttons on it. Each of them have their own function. And please pay attention to the move key. It is used to select the operating mode when the auto mode is working. If room temperature is less than 21 Celsius degree, it will enter the heating mode. And if the room temperature is higher than 27 degree, it will enter cooling mode. And the default setting temperature is 25 Celsius degree.
And we can see that it also have wide speed key. Choose the wide speed plus and minutes key to set the temperature of from 16 degrees to 30 degrees. Auto wind spread and manual wind flap key to set to the wind direction, and timing button to confirm or cancel the timing function.
And please have your eyes on the sleep key and super strong key. Sleep button. Humanized sleeping setting. Automatically increase 1 Celsius degree after 3 hours. Automatically turn off the air conditioner after 8 hours. For the super strong key, it is effective under cooling mode. Open super strong mode can strengthen wind speed.
Oh, I know it. And how about the introductions?
Okay, as we can see, there are 3 lights on it. Red light is the switch indicator of the air condition. Green light is the indicator of air condition compressor. The green indicator is on means that the compressor is working. And the last one, yellow light, it is the indicator of the timing.
I see. It's easy to understand it. And alright, this is the end of the introductions of the heating and cooling air conditioner mainboard U05. Next, we will introduce another kind of the air conditioners PCB, and it is mode is U07. As a single common type of main board.
And Sunny, could you tell me what is included in U07? This one?
Yes, this one. And my parents, let me show you now. It includes one main PCB, one display, one transformer, and one remote control. So, and our number of timer controller.
And what are the main features of this PCB?
Number 1, indoor PG fan 5 speeds, grace function. It includes light, high speed, middle speed, low speed, auto speed, and strong speed. And number 2, running mode different from the U07, which have 5 models. This type of main boards only have 4 running modes, which includes auto mode, cooling mode, humidification mode, and ventilation mode.
Yes, this model without heating mode, so that's why it calls single cooling type.
Correct. Number 3, half an hour time adjustment. When we want to use the timer function, every time we press the button, the time will increasing by half an hour. And number 4, 6-speed grace will directions, and the temperature control is across up to 0.3 Celsius degrees. And number 5, sleeping function. Number 6, ambient launch functions. When the remote control cannot work, the air control can be turned on by the Anglis launch button. And number 7, compress 3 minutes delayed percent. Reduce the startup work-soaking load when the composition starts again so as to prolong its service life.
Well, the function of this model also very complete. And Sunny, could you also give a brief introduction of the remote control?
No problem. Here, let's have a look. The red one is switch used to run, turn on and turn off air conditioner. And next, the model key use the select of operating model. When the off mode is working indoor, if indoor temperature is less than 27 degrees, it will turn into the vegetable mode. And if the indoor temperature is higher than 27 degrees, it will turn into cooling mode, and the flat sitting temperature is 25 degrees.
And then please look at the wind speed key. This is the wind speed regulation button. It has 5 speed gears, which includes super strong wind speed, auto wind speed, high wind speed, middle wind speed, and low wind speed. And please be noted that we use the dehumidification mode. The wind speed is low wind speed.
Oh yes, and the pulse and the music keys to select the temperature from 16 degrees to 30 degrees. Auto swing, flap, and melodic swing flat to select with direction.
Yeah, and we still have timing button, sleep button, and enjoy the different function of this product.
Alright, and how about the introduction admins?
There are also 3 lights on it. Red light, it is the indicator of the air condition switch. Green light, it is the indicator of air condition compressor. And the last one, yellow light, it is the indicator of timing.
Okay, fans. Then this is the end of the introduction of the Sync Coming main board U07PG. Admins, could you tell us, friends, what are the advantages of the combination plants produced by our factory?
Of course. Number 1, industry leading. Our factory has been engaged in the production of home appliance parts for more than 20 years and has professional production lines and technical personnel. And number 2, perfect temperature control. The temperature control is accurate up to 0.3 Celsius degree. And number 3, easy installation, convenient and fully functional. And number 4, competitive price. Products are directly supplied by the factory, which can maximize the profit of customers.
Yes. Choose our factory means you chose the good quality and good price, so don't be hasty. Scan the QR code and feel free to contact. When we still have a lot of conditioners main board with different functions. If you are interested in it, please tell us. We are looking forward to cooperating with you.
Okay, and we also have another one is general AC or DC variable frequency air conditioning control board. This one is very powerful. Let us see. It looks like this. Okay. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our live show. We'll see you at the same time tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye.